Okay, let's learn how to replace the toner cartridge on a Brother TN730, or you could actually use a TN760 replacement cartridge. They'll both fit. So the first thing you want to do is when you take the new cartridge out of the box, make sure you take this little orange cover off that protects the drum of the cartridge, and then you're going to just open up this section here, pull this cartridge holder out right here, and right here you're going to lift up. You're going to lift this out like that. Put that one down there. You're going to just replace it with this one. Nice and quick. Make sure it's locked in, it's not sliding around. And then you're going to just push it right back into place there. Close it up, and you're good to go. Simple. Very easy. I hope that helps you in replacing your toner cartridge.